Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure prerequisites are ready: an Azure subscription, resource group, and key vault. Next, install the Nagi CLI and run as login so you're authenticated. Once done, create or identify a service principal and grant it key vault access. This allows Nagi to store latch secrets. You do this now because it prevents permission errors later. Make sure resource names match your deployment scripts. Consistency avoids misconfiguration and speeds the next steps. You now configure the Azure Latch inside Nagi. First, run Nagi Latch init with the Azure provider and point it to your key vault. This registers the Latch backend. Then, upload your Latch policy JSON and attach it to the service principal so the policy enforces access rules. After that, run Nagi Latch status to confirm the latch is active and bound to the correct resource. If the status shows pending, recheck the principal's key vault permissions and retry the bind command. You finish by applying the latch to target resources with Nagi apply and the latch ID. This enforces the policy immediately. Once applied, test by performing an allowed operation and a denied one to verify behavior. This proves the latch is effective. If something goes wrong, check key vault access logs and run Nagi debug to capture detailed errors, because permission mismatches are the most common culprit. Finally, adjust policies or regrant permissions, then reapply the latch to resolve remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.